Bruh.
Hostess.
I mean,
Bruh.
he is online. I DM'd him, but he's
There we
not
go.
answering.
Ah!
Yeah, it's okay. I was
Oh yeah, I
half
remember
an
this
hour
one from
late for my ride.
yesterday. It's a pain in the ass.
If you hold space, you can double jump once after you reach the ground if you're lucky somehow.
It's the division vice from the other Overwatch division. Oh my god. Shame on him.
How you? Well,
I told you, if you fuck the game fucks you back.
Hello. Don't worry. I'll be right behind you.
I did it yesterday.
You fucked the game yesterday.
No, I'm doing this part of the parkour.
If I'm going to kill myself if I get another call from that phone that's miles away from me. I'm going to kill myself at the Y.
Amplifying your power.
Well, I think it's time for me to go. You people enjoy your.
I was thinking the same
He's
thing.
back.
Maybe if you just like make yourself a
Chewie, can you stay? Your event's coming next.
fine. I'm staying, but
Start hosting it a bit earlier.
Just start the event now.
I can't. I am literally unable to make the event log.
Sadness.
Yes.
Just make an off-brand one.
You have to make an event 24 hours in advance. So
Oh.
Can't you change it?
I can't change it to start earlier. I have to give a 24-hour notice. However, I can change it to start later. That I don't have to give a 24 hours notice.
That makes sense.
I hate that system, so like,
Support request.
well, time to play Genshin.
White thing. Hello. I am empowering you.
Payload mobilizing.
Sustaining augment. I'm going in.
You okay, Archer?
I think he's given up.
Looking at the ground. He looks depressed.
Yeah, he's definitely given up then. He's no coming back from that.
I must return to my post. Heroes never die.
I don't know what I did yesterday, but how the fuck did I get past this? Like my bot is in the Havana spawn room, and yet I didn't get. Bullshit.
Is it Havana? What the fuck?
You may jump off the blue box, the blue box, the blue box. Behind you! The blue box, Archer!
Why do
The blue
all
ball.
Scottish people sound the same?
Because they're genetically cloned.
There you go. And I'll
Especially
jump
when
over
they're
you.
yelling.
Thanks, Archer!
We're out.
Kill
Be
yourself.
careful.
You should stop breathing. For 8 to 12 minutes. Suck my balls.
I'm not gay, sorry.
Yeah, right, you're Scottish.
What do you mean by that?
It's the same thing. That's what it means.
I could be a minor, and you just said that to a minor.
Who? What?
Depends how old are you.
Who?
I'm not. I'm 18, I'm not a minor.
Exactly, then you're old
I
enough
am
to like it.
underage. I am in fact underage.
Which person heard this?
I am 16 years old.
It's illegal in my country, so I don't care.
It's legal from 14 in my country.
Yeah, okay, then you beat me by a year. No.
What? You have to do something fucked up here. I remember this one.
Bro, stop getting in my way.
I see a hostile.
Your mom gay. Ah. Have you ever thought about adopting a lesbian child?
What the fuck are these conversations? What the
I
fuck?
don't know. I'm just sitting here listening to music. And they're kinda odd just jumping into the conversation.
You can't even just fly to me because you have to get the bingo ball.
The what? Bro is for real like a 60-year-old grandma. Like, you have to get the bingo ball. Fuck me. I'm going to eat my keyboard.
Take caution. There's a test subject.
If you know where I was from, you could make a really horrible joke with that.
I just used your bot just then.
Yeah, because I'm from Hungary. Hungry joke again. Get it? Eat my keyboard because I'm hungry. Ha ha ha. Yes, I'm going to kill my... Yeah, you have no idea how many people make that joke. And it doesn't get funnier.
It says you. Have you seen my name? What do you think the first thing people say about my name?
I don't know your name
Oh,
because
this is
I am not
Sniper.
looking there.
Yeah.
I am occupied by Mercy Parkour and picking up this stupid red ball. And then bumping my head in the door and getting a concussion, forgetting my family and my 70-year-old wife and dying in a home. I am now on the door. Finally.
Oh, you're gonna love this level. You need, you need to cheese it. You need to get stuck and then jump.
I am already stuck, so one part is done.
I got to this one yesterday.
Huh? Sorry, you're too Scottish for me to understand you. Say again?
Oh, done it. It's all good.
Again? Fucking balls. The ball! This is what Polish people see all the time. What is this? It's a pole. Am I supposed to not be able to move here?
Probably.
Then why does the game try to unstuck me every like 5 seconds?
Yeah, because you need to jump up to that bit right there with that jump. Have fun! Have fun!
Fuck you. Alright, it's done. Breathe.
Are firearms not to your taste? They make killing too simple.
Yeah, I don't wait. Well, I can use your boat for this one. Thank you, Archer.
And I totally didn't just use you for one of my...
I'm gonna move so you
Being
can use
nicer,
me.
using each other.
Huh?
You can use me.
Oh, hi
Oh,
there.
fuck off. Fuck's sake.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bye.
Attackers incoming. Defend
I
objective A.
am not racist. My lawyer has advised to stop this sentence before it starts.
You're a liar.
Yes. My...
Who needs healing?
So you
Yeah,
can
there's
crowd
no
jump on this
party
one, that
guys.
makes things much easier. But not easy enough.
No, not easy.
It is easy.
Fuck you. It is easy.
Okay, how the fuck? Wait, can I use your bot? Oh.
Where do we go again?
We need to go over there.
I think I know how this is done. I have no idea how this. What? Huh? No way. No way is it what I think it is.
What do you think it is?
No, it's not a crouch jump. Huh?
Mate, how you made the bot is there? This is where I left. This is where I left yesterday. I said, nah, I'm not doing this.
Nothing happened.
Yeah, man.
Isn't that a country? Yemen?
My ultimate is almost charged.
Yes.
No, it's Yemen, not Yemen.
Said Yemen.
I feel like
Yeah.
everything could be a country.
Advance with me.
No, everything is not an existing country name.
Everything is awesome.
Then you don't live in a European country. You probably live in like Scotland, because you're Scottish.
I still live in Scotland.
Pain is inevitable.
Who would have thought?
I understand.
I know, right? Crazy. The Scotsman lives in Scotland.
Yeah.
When did you first drink alcohol?
When I turned 18, I've only had. Fun fact: I've only had one pint in my whole life.
That's a skill issue. You see, I have not out drunk before and I am 2 years younger than you.
Hey, we get it. You're Balkan.
But I don't. I'm not an alcoholic.
Technically yes, but
I'm
kind
not an
of.
alcoholic.
I'm going to kill myself. I'm going to hang myself on one of the ceiling lights.
Alright.
Okay, you sound like a typical CSGO player.
I
Okay.
do play CSGO. I don't play anymore. Because
Let me put something in perspective for what we're about to do. And they get that bingo ball while flying to that bot and then land over there.
That's like a lot of steps.
Huh? So you can't crouch, that's fun. Bitch. Can't you?
Someone is having a bit too fun.
Ah, there we go.
Nice one to watch.
Oh, you can't dash again. Fun. So
Yeah,
like,
one dash only. Like, grab the ball, then somehow.
why can you
Fly
crouch
all the
jump?
way.
I can't crouch jump.
I think crouch jump. I looked up. Wait, I'm gonna fly off of you. Thank
Yes.
you. Wait, oh fuck.
How does that make a difference if you look up?
Because you go up
fly
if you look up. Nah, that's not it.
Right.
I'm gonna do a funny and just fuck that. Yeah?
Oh wait, but I didn't get the bingo. Oh, for fuck's sake. Hold on.
What? Oh. Oh.